Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stop loss on TradingView. First, understand that a stop loss is an essential tool for managing risk in your trades. It automatically closes your position if the price moves against you by a certain amount, preventing larger losses. We will cover the simple steps to set these orders directly on your charts, ensuring your capital is protected. This guide will help you implement effective risk management strategies with ease. To place a basic stop loss, first open your order panel or right-click on the chart where you want to enter a trade. You will see a dedicated field for stop loss where you can input a specific price. Alternatively, after your order is placed, a horizontal line representing your stop loss will appear on the chart. You can then simply click and drag this line to your desired level, making adjustments quick and visual. For more advanced strategies, consider using a trailing stop loss, which automatically adjusts as your trade becomes profitable, locking in gains. You can also set stop losses based on a fixed percentage of your trading capital, perhaps 1 or 2%, or use indicators like the average true range for dynamic placement. Placing your stop loss just below key support levels or above resistance levels can also be highly effective. Managing your stop loss is straightforward on TradingView. If market conditions change, you can easily modify an existing stop loss by clicking and dragging its line directly on your chart to a new price level. Alternatively, you can open your active orders panel and manually adjust the stop loss price there. Should you decide to remove it entirely, simply close the associated order from your open positions list. Always review your stop loss regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.